of baking powder, so we're going to do 4 of these. Okay, now we need half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now 2 large eggs. Another one. Time to whisk. 3/4 cups of pumpkin puree. Put your puree in the pot. Dazzle some pumpkin pie spice in here. Add your salt. Add 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. I do not know. Now that we've got it whisked, let it cool for 10 minutes. 3/4 cup chocolate chip. Here's what the batter looks like. Pour it into your pan. Smooth out the top. Put it in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes.